A political stir erupted in Odisha on Monday after allegations of cross-voting surfaced during the Rajya Sabha election. The controversy intensified after BJD MLA Devi Tripathi admitted to voting against the party line and supporting another candidate. Speaking to the media, Devi Tripathi acknowledged that he had voted for senior leader Dilip Rai. Explaining his decision, the legislator said his voting was guided by the desire to uphold the legacy of Biju Patnaik. Tripathi also voiced strong displeasure over what he described as an unethical alliance, raising questions about the alleged understanding between the Biju Janata Dal and Indian National Congress. The controversy deepened after another leader, Soubik Biswal, also admitted to cross-voting. Biswal stated that he had voted for the person who, in his words, carried the blessings of Biju Babu.
पिता धर्म पिता स्वर्ग पिता ही परम तप आउथर कहवाई चाहे पिता धर्म पिता स्वर्ग पिता ही परम तप प्रभात पुरुष बिजू पट्टनायक राष्ट्रनायक से थिले प्रभात पुरुष बिजू पट्टनायक आशीर्वाद जहां को ऊपर रही मो भोट मु तांको देछि प्रभु श्री कृष्ण भगवत गीता रे कहिसंती अन्याय करुथुबा लोक जेतिकी पापी अन्याय सहिबा लोक मध्य सेतिकी पापी तो 29 वर्ष भितरे 29 वर्षर गोटे लंबा सफर अनेक त्याग अनेक बलिदान केते कौन सहिचंती मोर पूज्य पिता डॉक्टर प्रभात बिस्वाल से विषय में भावुची आपण माने समस्त अवगत अछंती।